Hello dear subscribers, I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if you receive error on your iPhone, could not load user, so how you can fix it. So for fixing it, first thing, just check your internet connection. So just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find Wi-Fi. If you're using Wi-Fi, just turn off and turn on again. And if you're using mobile data, just turn off and turn on again your mobile data. And if you still have the server, so just go to try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. And if you still have the server, so just go to the general. In the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple, restore your phone. And if it doesn't help you too, just go to App Store, just go to search tab. In search tab just write Instagram, and if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and it will successfully download and install the latest updates on your Instagram. So this is a way how you can also try to fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.